Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price of a watch, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while, as we do have the lowest prices anywhere online. Alright, so we'll go ahead and jump into this video now. So today I won't be doing a review on the Yacht-Master II. I'm actually going to be showing you the functions of the Yacht-Master II and how to use them, specifically the ring command bezel, the programmable countdown timer, and the reverse chronograph pushers. So with the ring command bezel, there's two positions it can be in. Either the position it's in now, where the Yacht-Master name is aligned at the 6 o'clock position, and then the next position is just simply turning to the left. These are the only two positions that exist on the bezel. So as you can see, I can't push it any more to the left, and I can just reset it back to the original position. The programmable countdown timer is noted by the center of the dial from 0 to 10. As you can see, that's 0 to 10, and that's indicated in minutes, so 0 to 10 minutes. And then it's controlled by the pushers at the 2 o'clock position and the 4 o'clock position. Now, this is not a chronograph watch. This is not to be confused with a chronograph watch, as typically chronograph watches count upwards. This actually counts downwards, so it counts elapsed time rather than tracking elapsed time. So the functions of the 2 o'clock pusher will start that central second hand. As you can see, the red hand in the center is now ticking. The 4 o'clock position pusher will actually be able to adjust the reset that second hand back to the 12 o'clock position, simply just by pressing it. Pressing the 2 o'clock position stops it again, and then you can reset it once more. To be able to program the countdown, just simply move the bezel to the left. You'll hear a snap, and it'll click into place. And make sure at this position that the top chronograph pusher, the 2 o'clock one, is locked now. You are not able to access this anymore in this position, but the 4 o'clock position chronograph the pusher will still be able to be pushed down. And the reason for that is, as we unscrew the crown counterclockwise, is how it opens up. As you see, nothing happens in the standard position besides being able to wind the watch in this position, which will allow you to wind the watch about 15 to 20 winds from a dead stop. We'll get it going once more. The next position of the crown allows you to adjust the hands and set the time. But moving back to that standard position, if we press that 4 o'clock position pusher all the way in, it will actually lock in, and then you'll be able to adjust the countdown timer in the center by going clockwise. As you see, very easy to do. Jumps to each minute and then skips from the 10 to the 0 as shown. So I'm going to go ahead and just adjust it to the 10 minutes for now. You want to make sure to screw the crown nice and tight against the case. You want to keep the watch nice and protected. And then from here on, the pusher is still locked. The top pusher is locked as well. All you simply have to do, just go ahead and shift that back to the original position. That releases the bottom pusher and allows the top pusher to be used once more. So now it's the start of the yacht race. You hear the gun fire. You go ahead, hit that countdown timer, and you'll go ahead and let it run. There's actually one thing I want to show you, and I actually cannot show you until it reaches past a certain mark. So what I'm trying to show you here is that let's just say you hear the second part of the race. You hear the horn blare out to indicate the next lapping or such. So what happens with the timer being into the next 30 seconds? So you see it's past the 30 seconds mark. When you reset it, let's just say you hear the horn just blare out, and then you hit that reset. It'll actually shift that main central hand back to the 12 o'clock position, but also the countdown timer will actually go to the nearest minute as well. So you can see now that it's in between the 9 and the 8 as it counts down. But what happens if you do it before the 30-second mark? Well, it will just go ahead and go back to the nearest minute. So it'll go back to the 9 minutes. So if it was past that 30 seconds, it'll go move over to the 8, and so on and so forth. Also, you can stop the central hand again just by pressing that pusher, and then you can just reset it all the way back to the 10 o'clock position just by pressing the pusher. Now you can see the programmable countdown is back at the 10-minute mark. The central countdown hand is back at the 12 o'clock position, and that is how you use the functions of the Yacht-Master II. So hopefully that helps you guys out. If you're interested in, if you liked our videos, please like, comment, subscribe below. We have lots more to show you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.